Good morning. It's 6:53 Saturday, and I'm working. Now, we installed the 1.5-inch Nismo lift kit, the front upper control arms, Nismo wheels, and Goodyear tires. One thing I will tell you, if you are familiar with the D40 Frontiers and you have not checked out one of these new D41s, do yourself a favor and go check one out at a dealer. If you're local, come see us. We got a ton of Frontiers in stock. Heck, I'll even take you out and show you one. No.